Hi everybody, welcome back. I got a few things for the car. Be doing a couple of these. The first one got a little unboxing for you. Something I just felt like I really needed, and most people that I speak to who've entered the Porsche realm, especially the second car realm, the spare fun car realm, they want to make sure things are taken care of when the car's not being used. So let's unbox this, see what we got. If you're like me and you spend days between drives and it sits in a garage, or if you overwinter in a garage and never drive it, go on vacation for an extended period of time, you really should leave your car on a trickle charger conditioner. And so I have purchased the CTEK 5.0. It's the same manufacturer, really the same packaging as the Porsche branded conditioner and maintainer. So along with the main unit, I went ahead and got the extension cable so that you can mount this to the wall. Use the extension cable through a window if you're going to do the cigarette plug adapter charger, or through the back above the hood and shut the hood and direct connect to your battery. So this is really handy, very inexpensive. The whole thing together, about 110 bucks, I think. I'll take the amount. And finally, the cigarette lighter adapter. Most people who talk about these on the Facebook pages, YouTube videos, other people that I've spoken to speak very highly of using the cigarette adapter instead of going to the battery for several reasons, just mainly ease of use. So I got that. It was literally like $4, so worth every penny according to everybody else. So let's see what's in it. Okay, so it's a pretty thorough manual. The actual unit here can mount to the wall here, and then use your 8-foot extension that I strongly recommend you buy. Run this right through the window and use the cigarette adapter. There's two of them in the car, as a matter of fact. Mine's got one in the wheel well of the passenger side and also in the console. I've heard both work. So, and then if you want to go direct to the battery, you have your terminals here. You can connect direct to the battery, leave this on your car, and then when you're ready to connect the charge, maintain, desulfate, whatever process you want to do with this, then you just run your extension down to the top of the hood, shut the hood, plug it in and go. Pretty handy. And it's supposedly works for any car, motorcycle. You can use it for your lawnmower, anything with standard batteries, AGM, flooded batteries. Does not work, this model does not work for lithium, but I'm not planning on using a lithium battery in the car. So anyway, let's go plug it in and see how it works. Always read the manual. Okay, we're going to show you how to hook this up really quick. pop the hood. Obviously it's in the front. Since most viewers are interested in the 987, if you haven't seen the frunk, here's the frunk. I just treated this with some really, really good ceramic coating. Here we go. There's your battery. Okay, I'm going to sneak behind you one moment. As you can see, I went ahead and mounted the CTEK to the wall. A couple of screws, holds it there. I left it plugged in. Here is the lead. It's real easy to clip on all the other various attachments, and it's firm, it clicks good, so you know it's in, and it's easy to remove them. In the bag, I showed this earlier in the video, there's the extension, totally worth it. It's like 18 bucks or something on Amazon. So 8 feet, which allows me to put this in, hang it on the wall, and stretch it all the way to the car. There's the standard clips, which we're going to use this time, and also the cigarette lighter adapter, which I've tried. It works great, but for this, I'm just going to show you how to use it directly to the battery, because most people will want to do that, and it doesn't make you buy the adapter. So you click these together. You hear it click really good. So first, I'm going to put these on the battery and then run the lead through the bonnet. So that's the negative. Just going to connect it. I've done it like this already. Once I used this for a 2-week trip away, and it worked amazing. Let me get this fed through. So I put a speed shine cloth from Griots right here. Just, I know it's not going to scratch it, but that's just who I am. So we'll feed it through here, clip it together, right? And then, so plug it in. See the lights up? So this has multiple modes. If you want to run through it, AGM batteries, recondition, you want to choose car. So you have to scroll through, press it until it's car and normal, and it will run through the 4 main stages of charging. It draws the battery down, back up, desulfates, and then once it gets to 5, it turns green, and you can leave it there. It will move on up, back and forth, trickle until you take it off. I left it for 2 weeks and came back, no harm done. Car started right up, and no faults or errors that I've heard from some people on different forums and pages that charging can cause some challenges with the car. So it was great. So now the good thing about this setup is that the way this car is made, you can plug it in, get it started, and then shut the door. Leave it as long as you like. It'll take care of your battery. So hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.